knife. Drop the fucking knife right now. Drop the fucking knife. Hey, how you guys move in the back? Drop the fucking knife. Drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife. All right. Hey. Okay. All right. We'll help you out with that. Drop the knife. Okay. Drop the knife. Okay. Drop the knife. Drop the fucking knife. Hey, I'm there. We'll talk to you. Drop the knife. No, we're gonna help you out. We're gonna help you out. Drop the knife. 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 Big dog. Okay. Okay, no. Drop the knife, bro. Hey, we're gonna help you out. Drop the knife. Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Hey, we're gonna help you out with that. We're gonna help you out with that, big dog. Hey, drop the knife. Hey, you don't wanna do this, man. You don't wanna do this. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Okay. Drop the knife. Big dog, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Okay, we're gonna help you out with that. Just drop the knife. Alright, listen to me. So drop the knife. Okay, drop the knife. Nah. We're trying to help you out. Hey, we're trying to help you out. What do you want? What is it that you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Drop the knife. All y'all gonna do is sack me down. Okay. Right now, all I'm gonna do is go to jail for the rest of my life, bro. I can't afford to go to jail for the rest of my life. Nah, I'm here for you. Can you drop the knife? Man. Stand by.
Drop the head. Okay. Arrest him.
All right, beanbag, stand by.
Drop the knife! Toss the knife!
Beanbag, stand by.
Drop the knife! Toss the knife!
No one else in this.
Drop the knife! Toss the knife! Toss the knife! Do not move! Do not move! We told you!
I told you what happened, bro. My cousin was dead. Fuck, man. Oh, fuck.